Hello everyone, hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to Crystal DIY. This channel is all about soap making business, skincare, hair care and side hustle. If you want new business idea or grow your soap making business or skincare business or hair care business, then this channel is for you. We carry out business research, turn it into video. After experimenting, we render the best training and mentorship to equip our students. Our goal is to build a family of successful entrepreneurs, and that is why we are bringing this liquid soap for this commercial production for you. Liquid soap that you will make and make profit. I mean to say, everything is expensive in the market. If you are living in eastern part of this country, of this world, you will know that things are very expensive. So we want to make a liquid soap that is pocket friendly and will give you that standard that you want for commercial production, that will give you. So our number one ingredient is SLS. Is a common ingredient in liquid soap. There is no liquid soap you will see that you will not see SLS in it. Its benefit is for cleansing, foaming properties, and also help to remove oil stains in plates and clothes and all that. So it's a foaming property, it's a foaming booster also, and also cleanse dirt and all that. So we are going to, what we are making now is 5 liters of 5 liters of soap, liquid soap. So we are going to use part of the water. I've already measured out the water. Yes, so I'm going to take part of it to dissolve my SLS. Yes, so you dissolve it and keep it aside. So that is what I'm doing now, and set it aside. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, if you've watched this video to this extent and you've not subscribed to my channel, please, what are you waiting for? Subscribe. Please like my video also and give an encouraging comment. Please do it now. Please do it now. Subscribe, like and comment. Yes. So I'm going to turn this, make sure that I turn it and set it aside. So this is my Texapon. So sorry for the color, this is not how Texapon look. It doesn't look yellow, just that when I bought it, I kept it near to the yellow color that I bought, so it affected it. So the color is not it's not yellow. Yes, it's usually transparent look. So I'm adding in Texapon 500 grams. If you want to learn how to make Texapon for your liquid soap, for your laundry soap, I'll drop the link of the video at the description below, so that you will go and watch it and learn how to make it. So I'm adding in my salt. Salt acts as a thickener. The total amount of salt that I use for this production is 250, but I divided it into 3 parts and use 1 part to dissolve my Texapon. Yes, so I will use the latter parts, the other parts at the end of this video. So make sure you watch this video to the end, so you will see when I use the 2 parts of it. Soap making, liquid soap making business is very profitable. Yes, it's very profitable. So I'm going to add in water. So I'm making sure that everything mix very well. You are seeing what I'm doing, right? I'll make sure that everything mix very well. Then before adding it to water. Yes, if you want to learn how to make liquid soap as a professional, if you want to make a standard, do you know what I mean by standard liquid soap? You want to make a liquid soap that stand out, chat me on the WhatsApp only. chat me on the WhatsApp number I drop on this at the screen of this video. Then also, please don't call me, chat me on WhatsApp. I'm always active on WhatsApp. So I want to turn it, my tezapon and the salt. I want to make use the salt to mix this tezapon. Have you noticed that if you want to mix tezapon with water only, it doesn't mix very well? Have you noticed that? So that's why I am using this salt to dissolve it, so that it will dissolve properly and well mixed. So what you have to be doing is to be adding your water little by little and turn, little by little and turn, like I am doing now, little by little and turn, and make sure that you turn everything. If you have things like manual hand mixer, you can make use of manual hand mixer. It will make the work very easy for you. Yes. So after turning it, I will add in the remaining water. Yes, are you seeing how creamy it is and how fine it is? So I'm trying to dissolve my tezapon. Try on your own to use tezapon to drive tezapon, to mix tezapon with water. You see how difficult it is. So that's why I'm using salt to dissolve it. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel at this point, please do so. It's a way of encouraging me to do more video for you guys. Yes, tezapon is also a cleaning agent and also remove tough stain and also gentle to the skin. Yes, you know, things are very difficult in this part of the planet. Everywhere things, there is inflation. So that is why this soap making, this particular recipe is good for your dishwashing, your clothes washing and all that. So our SLS is already dissolved, so I'm trying to use my spatula to dissolve the remaining one. So after that, I'm going to pour it in my already dissolved tezapon and the tezapon and salt, right? Yes. If you want to learn how to make soap making household products like bleach, Vaseline, hair cream, hair shampoo, hair conditioner, so lots more, just chat me on WhatsApp so that you will start your training. If you want to learn how to make it a good formulation for your business, if you want to start it as a business, but if you don't want to, if it is the one you are using at home, you can make this. It's not everything you buy in the market. I always tell you guys, it's not everything you buy in the market. You can make this and use. Everything is quite expensive in the market, and somebody that buys it and sell will want to make profit, so thereby increasing the money. So you can buy it and make for your house use. Yes. So now after that, I'm going to get in the remaining salt, the remaining salt that I told you guys. Yes, salt acts as a thickener. Yes, salt is a thickener, so you're going to add salt. Peradventure the thickener, the viscosity, that you don't like the viscosity, you can increase the input of the salt that you're adding. Am I clear? Yes, you can input the quantity of salt if you don't like the thickness. That is what I mean. Yes, so I'm going to turn it very well. We also have ebook that contains household products, skincare products and all that. So if you want to get our ebook, just chat me on WhatsApp. I'm always active on WhatsApp so that we can talk more. Yes. So this soap making business, this liquid soap making business is something you can start and supply. You can even make this as a souvenir. Yes, you can make this as a souvenir. You know, now is a festive period, end of the year. You can make it and supply to people for thanking their customers for their patronage and all that. You can make it for people that is having child's dedication, wedding and all that. So it can act as a souvenir, yes. And also we want to add in our color. I'm making use of yellow color. Are you seeing how clear this is? How beautiful it is? Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel at this point, I don't know what you're waiting for. Please subscribe. I've said I will not be writing subscribe. I'll be begging you people to subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe and like my video. So I'm going to add in the color. Color is depend on you, how you want it, but it's usually light. So I'm going to add in my color and perfume. Yes, so if you're buying perfume, make sure the perfume you're using is fruity one, maybe lemon perfume, tangerine, apple cider and all that. So I want to add it in, and after that our liquid soap is ready. Are you seeing how beautiful this is? Are you seeing how beautiful it is? Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel at this point, I don't know what you're waiting for. Please subscribe. You want to learn how to make soap, tablet soap, as a professional. If you want your soap to stand out, if you want to make profit in your soap making business, chat me on WhatsApp, on this WhatsApp number that I just dropped here, so we can talk better and beautiful. Are you seeing how beautiful it is? Can you see that? So the color that I added, I want to add more color, so I decided to add more. You can decide to leave your own like this. You can decide to add more. Yes. So are you seeing it? Is it not beautiful? Is it not beautiful? Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and thank you for liking my video. You can make this at this point. You can now package it and sell, or package it for house use. It's not everything you buy in the market. I keep telling you people, you can make this and save a whole lot of money. I have had so many testimonies from people that says, I've made this your soap, that is what I've been using and all that. Thank you. Bye.